Very long ago, there lived a huge apple tree offering tasty apples to the people. A little boy came close friends with the apple tree. The boy used to play with the tree, climb the branches, sleep under the shadow, pluck apples, etc. Every day he visited the tree and ate apples. The apple tree was so kind to the boy and enjoyed the time they spent together. But soon the boy joined school
5 times 3 is 15.
and could not spend any time with the apple tree. After several months, the boy came to the apple tree. The tree was so happy to see the boy and asked him to play with it. The boy said that he was not a little one to play with the trees any more. But he had another request to the tree. The tree asked what he wanted. The boy said that he needed toys to play with, but his parents did not have sufficient money to buy toys for him. The tree replied, "Dear boy, I do not have any money to buy toys for you. But you can pick the apples, sell them, get money, and buy the toys you need." The apple tree was eagerly waiting to see the boy return. The boy went happily after plucking apples, but never returned for several years. The tree was so sad and did not produce any apples thereafter. After almost 10 years, the boy returned to the apple tree as a youngster. The apple tree immediately recognized the boy and was happy to see him. The tree asked him to play again. The boy said, "I'm sorry, I don't have time to play with you as I have to work. We are building new homes and need some wood for it. Can you please help me?" The apple tree replied, "Oh, my dear boy, please cut my branches and get the needed quantity of wood, as much as you want." The boy started to cut the branches of the tree and left the place. After several years, the boy returned as a middle-aged man to the tree. The tree, which was waiting for years to see the boy, was quite delighted. The apple tree asked, "Can you play with me now?" The boy, who was now an aged man, replied, "I'm old now. I want to relax myself from heavy work. I need a boat to sail to various places. Can you help me?" The apple tree replied, "Oh, my dear boy, I don't have a boat for you, but you can cut my trunk and make a boat." The man cut the trunk of the tree and made the boat. He happily sailed to various places, but never returned to the tree again, which now has only roots. After 2 decades, the boy returned to the tree as an old man. The tree recognized him and told him, "Oh, my dear boy, now I have nothing to give you." The old man said, "I just need rest. Just give me a place to rest." The apple tree said, "Come, my dear, take rest in my roots. Good old roots are the best place to have peace and rest." The man smiled with tears in his eyes. This is a life story of every individual. When we are young, we need the support of our parents. As we grow old, we ignore them and never care for them, but seek help from parents only when we need help. Finally, when we become parents and aged ourselves, we understand how great our parents really are. Moral: whatever the condition may be, parents are always ready to help their children.